Okay, so for this do now, we're going to review what we did yesterday. Some of this was on our semester exam from before the break, and so I just want to make sure that we have it down. So let's talk about geometric mean. Geometric mean is you're just taking each number, you multiply it, and you take the square root. So we're going to take these two numbers and multiply them. So we're going to do the square root of 8 times 10. Okay, we end up getting radical 80. Now let's practice simplifying the radical. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to think to myself, something times another number, so a perfect square times another number is going to make 80. So my perfect squares are 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, and so on. So I'm going to check each perfect square. So first, let's try 4 times something. Does 4 times something make 80? I'm going to do 80 divided by 4. You get 20. Cool. So I know radical 4 and radical 20 will make 80. And then now radical 4 is the same thing as 2. And then I bring down the 20. Now I'm going to think about 20. Does 20 go into any of these numbers? 20 does go into 4, so I can break it down even more. So now I have 2 times radical 4 times radical 5. Let's move over here. So 2 times radical 4, 2 times 2 is 4. And then I leave the radical 5, and that's my answer. We can also make this a decimal, so we can put it into Desmos, and it'll tell us what it is. 4 radical 5 is the same thing as about 8.9. So all of these, radical 80 is the same as 4 radical 5, and that's the same as 8.9.